Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 5 money-making apps that you can earn PayPal money with on your phone, okay? So this is going to be easy ways to make money, so let's get started right now. So the first one I want to show you is called Field Agent, and it's found at fieldagent.net. And what this is that is your on-demand platform for retail audits, mystery shops, market research, digital product demonstrations, and online ratings and reviews. So what Field Agent does for other companies is to do all this stuff for them so that brands and companies can improve their products and services. So they work with a lot of different companies, and they need people like you and me to go into these stores to do these tasks, okay? So if you want to be one of their agents, you got to come all the way down to the bottom and go to Agent Home. So here is where you can find out how to become an agent and how to earn on this awesome app. You can actually net $100 per day using this app if you do several of these tasks a day. So this is an app that's worth using, okay? Real people earning real money. Join over 1 million shoppers who have already started, okay? So what you're gonna do is download the app, reserve, and complete a job. Then they'll check your answers, and then you're gonna get paid real cash for your work. What is Field Agent? At Field Agent, we are focused on finding opportunities for everyday people to make money. We're the app that pays you real cash. We send agents all over the United States to gather information, take photos, and share their opinions. We offer all types of jobs. While one job may catch your attention, give them all a try. We offer all types of jobs. While one job may catch your attention, give them all a try. You never know what secret skills you have to offer. So you could do mystery shopping, help stores around the country improve, or you could do surveys. Not all jobs require travel. Complete surveys anywhere, anytime. So you could do this kind of stuff at home on your phone. And then you could do audits. So you could take pictures and answer questions about displays, products. So this is more like mystery shopping as well. And then buy and try. So you can do offers. So purchase products, try them out at home, and then share your opinion about it. Okay, so those are the different ways you can earn. Looking to make money with your smartphone. Okay, so these jobs are about more than money. Impact the stores you are shopping at every day through feedback. Help improve the products you're purchasing. Make a difference in your community. Look, they are all over the world. So, and a lot of people use this app to make money with. And I have even seen that if you do several of these tasks a day, you could earn pretty much $100 a day with this app. So this one is really good to use, okay guys? So if you have more time, you should check the FAQs. So the next site I want to show you is QMe at qme.com. So you can use this for your phone as well, because look at down here, here's the Apple Store rating. It's very, very highly rated app, 4.5, and at the Google Play Store is 4.4. So this one, what you are doing with QMe is that you are sharing your opinion and shopping and searching to earn real cash rewards, not points or swag. So you're going to be earning cash through PayPal here. And so earn when you share your opinions. Take QMe paid surveys on your laptop or mobile and earn cash rewards. Share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. So you can also shop on there. Earn when you shop. Get money saving coupons and deals on the items you're shopping for to help you save. We'll also show you price savings when we find a better deal. You don't have to go to different sites to compare. With QMe, there's no minimum cash out amount, so you can get your earnings at any time. And then earn cash with our specialty chosen offers. Whether you're looking for a change in your internet provider or buying a new phone, you could get, basically, they're going to give you suggestions on different offers that you can check out. But you can also get paid by just searching and using their search engine to browse the internet. Okay, and if you click on their left menu on these suggested sites, then you will earn as well. Okay, So this is available on both stores, and this one's highly rated. So I would suggest that you do all 5 of these apps because you could maximize your earnings this way, because each of these apps, well, except for the first one, may not give you as much as you want to earn. So that's why you want to kind of stack these apps up and do several of them. So the next one I want to show you is at karma.io, and this one you are going to be using both phones. So once you click here, there'll be 2 links on the next page, like right here. So for Android, you're going to get it here, and then for iOS, you got to go here. Those are the 2 links. Or if you're on the website on a desktop, then you could just send yourself a notification for the app. So what this does is that you will be earning from various things you can be doing on there. So to earn on here, you're going to be completing offers to earn rewards. Then you go redeem those points for PayPal or top gift cards, okay? And you could get 300 points just to install this app. And then they also have a referral program, meaning that if you use your invite link and invite other people, you can earn 30% of your referrals earning. And if you have one of these, basically, if you have an online asset that generates a lot of visitors to it, they will give you an even better deal. So it probably over 30%, okay? So this, if you have something like that, this will work even better. And then Karma Plays let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on App Karma. So there's going to be ways to make money playing games on here, guys, okay? So simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for and then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. Achievement badges, you could get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges, which you can do by installing 5 apps, watch 25, like there's certain things that you could achieve these badges basically, and then you could increase your reward level each time you get one of these Karma Play badge. So that's pretty cool. And so you could earn more and more as you keep going with this app, work more on it and achieve different levels for this app, and then you can earn even more. So the next one I want to show you is Rewardable at rewardable.com. So this one, you can make money 2 ways. You could do it at home or you could do it in the stores, but you could have it on your phone. And it's not just for iPhone, it's going to be for both phones as well. So if you're at home, you could do watch videos, complete surveys, or do daily sweepstakes to earn money this way. And then if you're going to do the in-store tasks, it's pretty easy because you're going to give basically product feedback or just visit certain retail stores to check something or to answer some questions about a product that's supposed to be on the shelf, because these guys want to know if like the companies behind these stores want to know how their stores are doing. So they want people like you and me to basically mystery shop for them and find out if things are where they should be and things are happening how they should be. So you got to complete simple tasks like doing surveys, watching videos, sweepstakes, etc. Then you're going to receive real cash through PayPal, and then also you can receive bigger rewards and bonuses as your profile grows. Okay, so this one is highly rated. There's tons of reviews on the 2 app stores that you will find over here, and you could check that one out. So this is one of a very good one. And then the last one I want to show you is called Money App. So this one you can find at moneyapp.org. And what this is a very easy money app. And if you go to these Apple Store and Google Store, you find that the ratings are incredibly high for these 2 stores for this app. So this app is working if this is having such high reviews. I'll just show you quickly. See, and tons of people are using it, like almost 5 stars. I mean, for apps like this, look at this one, Apple Store, almost 5 as well, and look at the amount of people rating. So this is an incredible money app, and what you're doing on here is very simple things. You're going to earn credit, okay, doing things like doing things under the hot offers, and then you can watch videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more little tasks, and then you can use all that credit and redeem it for cash. Okay, so you could pay out as cash through your PayPal account, and payouts take around 48 hours directly to your account. So you can get paid pretty much right away. So this particular one, because it's so highly rated, I definitely want you to try this one out, as this is working for a lot of people. When there's that many people reviewing, that means there's like 10 times more people using the app, or even more than that. So look at how many people are reviewing here. I think there's an install number here. So over 1 million for sure over here. So this is a good one to use if you want to make money with your phone using these money apps. If you want to make money like this, it's great, but you're not going to make consistent money or passive online income at all with these money apps. So if you want to make much bigger money and a real online income that comes in every single month, you want to use something bigger than this. You need to use a business model that builds you an online business. And you can use the link in my video description. It's going to be the second link, so check that out, okay? And you can learn how to do it with that program, and I'm going to be there to help you as well. So I hope you check it out. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, but I have no idea when they come out. So be sure to get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.